In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set perfect image sizes in Webflow. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and select the section or element that contains your image or background image. Open the Style panel and go to the Background section. If you're adding a new background, click Add Background, choose Image, and upload or select your image. Set the size option to cover so the image fills the entire area without leaving empty space. Adjust the position if needed to keep the most important part of the image visible. Preview your website on different breakpoints to make sure the image looks good on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Adjust the section height or image position if necessary. Publish your website once you're happy with the results. That's how to set perfect image sizes in Webflow. Thanks for watching.